Hello, boys and girls. Sandy's here going to play the guitar today and sing for you. Israel and Judah, Graceland, Ireland, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Paisley, Leland, Gracie.
I've been blessed with so many things. God's been good to me.
God's been good to me.
I have family and friends who share in all I do. But if I lose it all and I am left with nothing, if I have the Lord, I know I'll make it through. He's the only reason I live. But oh, what a reason. He's the only reason I live. But oh, what a reason. There's nothing in this world worth living for. It only leaves you empty and longing for more. Oh, he's the only reason I live. But oh, what a reason. You may have tried a lot of different things to find real happiness. But if you look very long, then you know it can be found. Yeah. Until you find the Lord in the power of His Spirit, there'll be no reason to live, and He'll never let you
That's right.
down.
Good job, Sandy.
He's the only reason I
If you know the song, sing with her.
live.
Oh, what a reason.
Reason.
That's right, what a reason.
He's the only reason I live. But oh, what a reason.
There's nothing in this world
There's nothing in this world
worth living for
It only
without
leaves you
Jesus.
empty and longing for more.
Oh, but with Jesus,
He's the only reason
it
I
makes all
live.
things worthwhile.
But oh, what a
He puts joy in our life.
reason.
He gives us a reason to sing. Amen. Good job, Sandy. Let's give her a hand clap, can we? Yay! I only have one hand. Anyway, God bless you.